Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I am doing some candy table treats for my niece's baby shower. So if you like to see what I did and my struggles, just keep on watching. And let's start off with some Rice Krispie treats. This was fairly easy. All you need is a 12-ounce box of Rice Krispies, which doesn't have to be the name brand. It could be an off brand, whichever you guys prefer. And I also had 2 bags of marshmallows. They both are 10 ounces, and 1 cup of butter. That's pretty much all you need for this, this Rice Krispie dessert thingy. But obviously guys, see here that I melted the butter, and then now it's off to melt the marshmallows. This you have to be really quick about because you don't want it to like caramelize. So it ended up being a little bit too caramelized, but they still ended up really good. Like, look how nice they look, all melty. Well, not yet, but look at that. That is nice. But anyways guys, you just keep on just stirring it continually. You just have to keep on stirring. You can't stop. Like I said, if you just let it sit there, it will get caramelized. But obviously now you just ended up putting the Rice Krispies, just little bit by little bit. That's what you gotta do. And then once you get it all like coated with the marshmallow, you just pretty much just spread it on the sheet pan, and then there you go. There's your Rice Krispie treats. However, with this, before I start using my cookie cutter, I have to just keep it in the fridge for like an hour, probably less. You just want it to just get firm all together so they don't fall apart. We ended up putting it in the fridge a little bit longer than expected, so I just want to let you guys know, just keep it in there for like less than an hour, or you can even keep it outside, just whatever you prefer. You could just keep it wherever, as long as you wait just a little bit for the Rice Krispie to firm up, so you are able to do it with your cookie cutters. So right now, obviously you see me here just spreading it on the sheet pan as evenly as possible. It is kind of hard, so that's why I ended up using my hands. What I end up doing, obviously you see me wearing gloves, and my sister-in-law, she sprayed my hand with just pan spray, simple, so I could actually like smooth it out. You'll see me here just rubbing it. But guys, this was super easy and super affordable. I think it was like under $5 I made these, maybe even less. Yes, less. Anyways guys, let's get started with the cake pops. Now, the cake pops, in my head it was easy, but you guys will see during this video how much struggles we had. So pretty much what you do, you can use any type of cake and just start breaking it apart. That's as simple as it could be. And we used any type of frosting, whatever frosting that you prefer, and ended up just putting it, just scoop by scoop into the cake not batter, but mix, and just mix it all up just like how we're doing right now. My sister-in-law did help me out because I could not have done this without her. I would have stressed myself out doing all these little candies and treats all by myself, because it's a lot of hard work, guys. No wonder people buy this up. Anyways, just keep on putting the frosting in until you get this type of consistency where you could actually roll it up into balls. We use a little, ice cream scooper to try to make it as perfect as possible. And obviously, even with the little ice cream scooper, you still have to kind of like roll it up into a little ball. And I don't know why I didn't show it. There you go, girl. That's how you just, you just roll it into balls. That's really pretty much it. And let's just keep watching us roll some balls. And here is all the cake balls. So this wafers chocolate, guys, I honestly, was not liking this. But anyways, this is what we had. This is what I bought. which is still my bad. But I got these from Michael's, and pretty much all you have to do is just melt the chocolate. And we ended up using some, I believe it's some coconut oil, and just added those little packages were like a tablespoon each. It will make the chocolate more shiny, and it will actually keep it from getting hard too quick. So that's pretty much what we're doing here, is just melting some chocolate. So with the cake pops, you have to put some of the chocolate on the stick just a little bit and just poke through the cakes just like this. And then you're gonna have to have that dry up just for a few hours so it could actually grab onto the cake ball mixture. So as the cake pops become more firm, we ended up doing some pretzel rods, obviously covered with chocolate. And you guys, you have to work really fast when you're doing these type of little treats, because the chocolate does dry up pretty fast. So this is why it's very important to have at least two people helping you out, because if I would have done this on my own, I would have stressed out really badly because I like to stress. But yeah, this was a major help. As you guys could tell, as I was dipping the pretzel rods, she was just grabbing it and decorating them real quick. It doesn't matter how you decorate them, it will still end up, that's kind of cute, right? But we're not done with those. So we ended up doing about like, I don't know, 15 to, actually we did like quite a few. And this edible spray paint, it was alright, but it really was kind of messy because obviously you're spray painting. Anyways, this is how they look. I think they are so adorable. Okay, let's on for the cake pops. Guys, oh my goodness, these cake pops were ridiculous, but they still ended up coming out good. So what you do is quickly dip the cake pops in the chocolate, and then you just tap it up ever so lightly. If you go any harder, they will fall apart. I honestly think the cake mixture wasn't firm enough. I probably put too much frosting, but that's fine. We just had to work really quickly when doing this. That's why I have a whole team with me, because teamwork makes the dream work. I'm just joking, guys. No, for real. Teamwork is very necessary when you're doing cake pops or any of these type of chocolate covered anything. So as you can see, this is just us just doing some teamwork. And obviously, guys, it really just fell apart. I kept dropping it into the chocolate and I was so frustrated. I was like, get this away from me. And here it is, the feel up close and personal. You see that, guys? It was ridiculous. I think honestly we could have kept it in the freezer. Probably would have been better than the fridge. Anyways, so we took some of the chocolate and put it in this little pastry bag. So we just cut the little corner and then we just drizzle it upon the pretzels. And it's, simple. Like obviously that one all the way to the right looks a little bit funky, but that's why these are edible. So as long as it looks cute for the first 2 minutes and then you just eat it, as long as it tastes good, it's all right. So we are done with the pretzels, and how adorable are those cake pops? Anyways, off to the Rice Krispies. I had this little heart-shaped cookie cutter, and we pretty much just, cut out heart shapes. honestly guys, we put it in the fridge way too long, so it got really super hard. So this is why she was struggling a little bit. So I don't recommend you to keep it in the fridge for too long. I would probably say 30 minutes should be fine to get at all, for maybe 30 to an hour. And again, once again, we are doing some teamwork, and I am just dipping half of the hearts into the chocolate while she decorates, guys. That's pretty much it. This is, obviously you guys seen some few of the struggles, but that's, that's how it goes. Like, nothing's perfect, but they still ended up amazing, and they ended up being really cute. There were some that were like badly decorated, but it's fine. I put that at the bottom when I displayed them, which you guys will see at the end of the clip how the whole entire candy table all came together, because this is my final video of what I was doing for my niece's candy table. I know I've been talking about this for a few months now, so I am so excited that you guys could see the process of how I put everything all together. So we had more cake pops to do, because this is when we actually put it in the freezer just for a little bit. It worked a little bit better, but as you can see, I'm just tapping off the excess, or well, she was. I had to switch because I was getting frustrated. So I ended up just doing some decorating, which I realized I probably would have been decorating from the beginning because it's so much easier and so much more fun. And look at my sister, why is she all up in the business? You guys, she was so proud of her cake pop, and we were cracking up because I don't know, I thought it was just funny. She was so proud of her cake pop. She did say it ended up looking like a brain, but anyways, I just wanted to share that little info. But it was just funny, guys. I enjoyed actually doing all this because we actually spent time together and talking that, we just girl talk. But guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, because I know I did. But yeah, I really appreciate you guys. Make sure to enter my giveaway, which will be listed in my first live video from a couple weeks ago. So guys, make sure you go check out. Look at that struggle right there. It really came apart. Anyways, guys, thank you so much. Really appreciate it. Please remember to subscribe, hit that bell to get notified every time I upload a video, and yeah, give this video a thumbs up, share it, like it, keep sharing, because how cute are these? That is it, guys. I really appreciate it, and this is how it all looked when it's all together. So yeah, guys, I will see you in my next video. Bye.